Hello class. In this short video, we'll be talking about the survival scenario assignment, and it's pretty fun. First of all, I'm going to click on the link that tells us that this is the info about the survival scenario. In this scenario, you and your group are working together to try to determine which of these items is the most important and the least important. You're going to rank these items for your survival after being involved in an accident. And the scenario is given to you here. Please read through it, get some information, and take a look at these items that are available. Now, after you've had a chance to look at that, I'm going to go back to the modules view and looking at what we have here. First of all, we have the info. Then the next assignment is a ranking. Now that ranking is a bit of a quiz, and you're going to do that on your own. But before you do that, you're going to work with your group to decide how you're going to complete this quiz. So go to your people link in Canvas and locate your Week 2 group. And when you find your Week 2 group, you're going to go to the group homepage. Now, on the visiting the group homepage, you have many tools that are available to you and your group. Your group leader may decide to create a collaboration document here and use it to share information, or you may decide as a group to create a discussion. Let's say that you decide to do it that way. You also could use an announcement. So there's lots of things you could use here. I want you just to explore the correct collaboration tools that are available to you in Canvas. If I go to the discussions link, again, I'm in my group. So I'm on my group homepage. So I'm not creating a discussion that is going to affect the whole class, but a discussion that is only going to be seen by my group. So I can add a discussion. And in my discussion, I could maybe say my ranking and why. And I could say, first of all, I believe the fuzzy pajamas are the most important. These are not actually an item and that's in your list because, these will keep me warm and cozy. So you're going to create something like this, some sort of communication with the rest of your group. And in your communication, you're going to rank the items the way you see fit. This is how I think these items should be ranked. Now, the best benefit for this assignment in a problem-solving mode would be for everybody to have some give and take and some discussion back and forth about these different items so that we could come up with the best ranking possible. In the end, after all the discussion has occurred, the perfect world scenario is the group leader would come back and create an itemized list for everybody in the group to use. Now, once we're in this group homepage, we have to back our way back out. So I'm going to use the breadcrumb links up here at the top to get back to our class. And then back to the class, I could go back to my module or through the assignments view, whichever links I'd like to use to get to my survival item ranking. Now, I would like for you to use the ranking that your group came up with. But again, that's a perfect world. You might disagree terribly with your group, or you might see problems with your group. Maybe you haven't seen any of them, so you're going to have to come up with your own ranking. That's fine. How this assignment will be graded. You will get a certain score on this quiz that may or may not be very good. That's okay. I will come back and grade this quiz, and if I see that you have worked with your group or attempted to work with your group to come up with a consensus on the ranking of these items, then all of the points will be awarded to you for the quiz. So don't worry if you only got one right, your group was not agreeing with the people who put this scenario online, which we may not all agree, but you'll get the points no matter what. So again, this assignment is meant to be fun for your group. The best way to work together in problem solving is to make sure you're using your collaborative tools and getting information shared back and forth amongst the stakeholders in our decision making. So let's try to do that. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.